So what do you need to do to prep your raised beds for this spring? Stick around and find out. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys.
We're here to help you new gardeners out there build and strengthen your plant knowledge.
So this is video 3 of our spring planting series, and today we're going to help you with raised garden beds.
So you have raised garden beds and you want to prep them and get them ready for spring planting. Well, today we're going to show you the steps how to do that. Okay, let's get started.
Okay, so we have about 7 steps to present to you today, starting with the first step. Looking at your raised bed and removing any debris that's in the way. And this could include mulch, leaves, and tree debris, and anything that you need to get out of the way.
The second step is to dig down, move around, break up your soil clods and any compacted soil so it's nice and fluffy.
So the third step would be to add any soil amendments that you may need, and that's depending on the goal that you have for your raised bed. So maybe you need to increase the organic matter, so you want to add more compost, or you need to increase the drainage, so you'd add sand. It just depends on what you need to do.
After that, for the next step, you want to mix in all of those components that you just added into the soil that you broke up before, so it's all mixed as thoroughly as you can.
The fifth step would be to take all that newly mixed up soil and level it out so it's even around the whole raised bed.
The sixth step is to water in the bed then. So what happens is you settle the soil, it moves down, it all mixes kind of together, and anything that you added in, like the compost or even the sand, it starts to break down or become part of the new soil structure.
And the last step, number 7, would be to add any plants that you're going to add to your raised bed.
So after we laid out all those steps, our goal is to prep this bed behind us so we can get it ready for vegetable production. So here we go.
Yeah, you guys ready?
Let's do this. So you saw us go through the different steps to prepare this bed for planting this spring.
Luckily, our soil was pretty nutrient rich already, so we didn't really need to add that much. So luckily, we ran out of compost anyway.
So you saw us use the same tools we used in video 2 to prep a ground bed. And so that was a regular shovel, a pitchfork, a bow rake, and a fan rake. So those are the same exact tools. We'll have those tools and their links down below in the comments area. So if you wanted to check those out and get those for yourself to prep your own beds, you can do that.
Thank you guys for watching, and we hope that that was helpful in getting your bed ready for planting this spring. Stay tuned for our next video coming up, Spring Planting Series number 4, quickly prepping your containers to get them ready for planting.
And if you have any comments or questions, go ahead and comment down below. Let us know what you think and what you're prepping, if you're prepping your beds this spring. Also, give us that thumbs up to let us know if we're doing a good job or not. Subscribe so you get updates on our latest videos we post.
And I guess that's all for now. So we'll see you in the next video.
See you in the next video, everybody.
Bye, you guys.
Bye-bye.